guys, welcome to Joy of the World. So we arrived in Singapore with Papa. Sila mama bakit mga igsuon mo. So waiting for the bus. So we're now going in the monorail. Padulong mi sa Imbia para makita ang pinakadakong Merlion din sa Singapore. Ana sila na 5 ka Merlion. Mo yung pinakadako sa 5. Yeah. So that is monorail. Some view of Sentosa. Welcome to Sentosa. Oh, okay, someone. Oh, artista. So who's here? Oh, sila Mother, Father, and Merlion. Okay, have a wonderful day sa Sentosa. Okay, wa may kwarta, diri namin sa libre-libre, Madam Tusod in town, no? Vin Diesel.
Hindi kami doon sa ni Papa.
Oh, kanina na naglabay-labay ng monorail. There is Sentosa with the Merlion there. Okay, we're having fun here in Sentosa. Imbia Station. So there you go, Merlion, monorail. I-edit rin eh. Kira. Welcome to Sentosa. So, si Merlion. And then, 360 view. So, gonna enjoy here sa Sentosa. Baktas-baktas. May kay di kay init. Di kay tamang itom na rin. Okay, so, ayan. We're heading towards the USS or the Universal Studios Singapore. Oh, I know yung edit lang nato na siya guys sa kabalaka. So here's the Lake of Dreams. So hanggang pangarap ka na lang. Yeah. Hello Sentosa. Hi Lake of Dreams. Hi. Sa pinaka-chance nga akong gitry abot rin ko Gardens by the Bay. Sige kong kasaan. Anyways, so behind me is the Marina Bay Sands. And we're now at the vicinity of the Gardens by the Bay. Alright. We're here. Happy to be here. Bye. Welcome to IMM, Singapore's largest outlet mall. A lot of outlets, around 90 outlets, and like imports. Most of the time, 80% of them are on sale. Yeah! We're getting nakita may nahimabu. Actually, here at IMM, there are a lot of items on sale, 50% to 80%. Yeah, good deals. Hi, good morning. So we're now here at Kampung Glam, where the like, heritage site is built here in Singapore. So here is the site, and at the opposite side is the Sultan's residence, and behind that is the Sultan's Mosque. That's it. So the ice cream nasa bread. So what is siya? Sabi. So inside the Marina Bay Sands, proceeding sa promenade para sa Spectra or the license show, water show. So pangitaon na mga samahan ito, but basically we're already here. So padulong namin kung asaman ang gates or doors towards the promenade. So ayan, lingaw-lingaw ta. Bye-bye! Spectra. So kung na mo Singapore, better watch it live and sa area sa Marina Bay Sands because it's pretty cool. You'll hear the music and also you see the projected photos or projected video sa mas doon. So yan. Thanks Singapore. Bye. At Changi Airport, there are a lot of mechanical entertainment that you will see, such as this. At my back, these are like watch hands, and they're moving, and they're forming some formations. Actually, that's one of the things that you really admire here sa Changi, because they have a lot of mechanical or digital entertainment. Look. Really moving. Enjoy yourselves when you're at Changi Airport. Thumbs up. Kung gipit ka na para sa mga pasalubong mo, nandito ang Singapore. No worries. Sa Terminal 3, color lang. May pampasalubong ka na. Pasalubong. For me, Singapore is always magical. There are a lot of entertainment that they can do. Not with people, but with a lot of colors, mechanical, kinetic, and whatever it is. But they can surely entertain people. Yeah, so that's how I love Changi Airport, especially here in Singapore. Yeah, thank you. Thumbs up, guys.